In a world without animals, pollinators vanish, crops fail, and ecosystems unravel, as plants lack essential partners for food security and biodiversity alike. Predators vanish too, causing overgrowth of weaker species and chaotic population crashes across forests and fields, and disrupting livelihoods worldwide. Soil health declines without burrowing animals, nutrients slow, and barren hills spread where rain once soaked. The cycle weakens. In oceans, coral reefs crumble without fish and sea urchins, triggering algae overgrowth and collapse of coastal life. Ultimately, human life would be endangered as medicines, comfort, and climate regulation fade with nature's vanished partners.